Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today we are going to figure out the ways through which we can elevate our basic clothing and style with the help of different accessories and different things. So let's begin. So at first I'm wearing this ruffle top. You can see it has a ruffle sleeves, and with this I have paired my beige colored trouser which is a robe as a belt, and you can see that I have added my four layered necklace over it, which is going to give a elongated effect to this. And with this I have also add my white strap watch with the black dice and minimal jewelry at my fingers, but I have keep my necklace more glamorous and more layered, because it will give a glamorous effect to this plain black ruffle top. In first outfit, I have planned to pair my ruffled black top with beige trouser, and my elevation idea is to add some layered necklace with black dice watch. In second outfit, I have planned to wear a printed velvet frock in sleeves. It has a cheetah print along with floral pattern as well. So I have planned to add a minimal jewelry, coin necklace, and in my hairstyle I have planned to make a double twist by adding a simple center segment. As you can see, this frock looks quite nice and giving me a quite slimmer effect, because in center it has a black velvet, and on sleeves and on lower part it has a printed pattern. This hairstyle is complementing so well with this dress. I am wearing black and white plaid top as a third outfit along with my black jeans, and with this my elevation plan is to add the gold coin necklace as it is, and my black dice watch which has a white leather strap. Both these things are quite simple, but that is going to add an extra cheek and stylish effect to my outfit, to my basic outfit. I think side hairstyle will more complement with this outfit, and I also thought to add a simple and plain pearl hair clip along with this. And after adding my pearl hair clip, that's how it's look like. It is giving a quite stylish and cheek effect to my overall outfit, and that's how it's look like. By adding simple and decent accessories, I have elevated this basic outfit. In fourth outfit, my basic clothing will be small plaid black top along with black jeans, and my elevation plan is to add black stud jacket and my gold coin necklace just to add a more stylish effect to this outfit. And I will also keep my black dice watch along with my white leather strap as it is. As you can see that at bottom it has a knot which is giving an extra detail to my outfit. And as you can see that its next detail is also very great. It has a high neck kind of neckline which is giving it an extra stylish and chic effect. And now I have thought that my hairstyle don't look very appropriate, so I have thought to make a side braid along with this outfit. So here I am making a loose braid along with this outfit. Messy braids are very trendy nowadays, and plus it also give a very casual look to your outfit as well. Now my braid is almost done, and now I will tie it end by my black pony. And as you can see that this hairstyle is looking more appropriate with this dress, and it is also giving a very casual vibes to this dress, and that is how my final look in this dress look like. My fifth outfit contained colored check shirt along with black jeans, and my elevation plan is to add black dice watch along with the coin necklace. And I will keep my hair open, and I would also like to add my denim jacket to add a more casual and stylish vibe to my basic dress. If you want, you can also make a high pony along with this dress. In my last outfit, I am going to wear a slim fit black top along with black jeans. It also contains some beads at side. So my elevation plan is to add my light pink shimmery jacket to add the glamorous look over it, and I'm also going to add a coin necklace and my basic black dice watch with white leather strap along with this one. I am going to add a pink bangle on my other hand. It will elevate your style, and furthermore you can keep your hair as it is, or you can add this printed floral pattern hairband, and it will also elevate your basic clothing. Hope you have liked all these elevation plans which I have made on my basic clothing, and you will also try to implement on your plain and basic clothing. Hope you have enjoyed this elevation vlog, that how we can elevate our basic clothing, and I will see you in my next vlog. Take care, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.